Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Chatter. Today in this video I am gonna discuss with you guys how you can transfer your Android data into your PC without using any data cable or Bluetooth. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your Android smartphone and go to the Play Store app, and on the search bar of Play Store search about the Microsoft Photos Companion and move to the first tab and just install that app and open it. Then go to your PC and search for Photos app and open it. And on the top right corner you will see the three dots and go to the settings. So in this you need to find the preview option and scroll to find that, and you will see that option to help the Microsoft to test their Photos Companion app on Android phone. So turn that on and you need to restart the app. So I will again open that Photos app. So go to the import option and you will find the third option called transfer over Wi-Fi, and you will see a barcode appeared, and scan that barcode on your phone and select the photos which you want to transfer. So I have selected these 4 photos and click on done button. So these are transferred instantaneously, and I will show you that these are transferred on my PC. Just go to the imported folder and you will see that all my photos are easily transferred from my phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button.